Hi, in this program, I'm going to illustrate the concept of nested structure. You know what is a nested structure? Nested structure is having a structure within another structure. That means you will have a main structure, and within that, you will have some more structures embedded in them. See here, I have taken an example of college. Okay, let's assume that let's assume that the structure name is college. Okay, and there are certain members here. One is college name, the other one is department, and the third one is hostel. So college is the main structure which has three members: college name, department, and hostel. But if you look at the some of the names that are not underlined, what are those? See, when you see the second one, that is department, within department you have some more subsections. Similarly, in hostel you have some more subsections like this. So what you can say is department itself can be considered as one structure with three members, that is department name, faculty count, and placement rate. Similarly, hostel also can be considered as another structure altogether with two members, that is warden name and count underscore rooms. So by looking at this, what do we understand? We understand that there is college name which is a normal variable, but the second one, the second member, that is department, itself has its own sub members. So I can consider department as a structure within the main structure college. Similarly, hostel also. Hostel is a member, but within hostel you have two more members. So you can consider hostel as a substructure to the main structure college. So how do you write a program with the nested structure? See here. So you will have your header file. Then immediately after your header file, you are supposed to declare uh, the different structures. Okay, before you start your main function. The idea here is identify the substructures and declare them first, so that it becomes easier when you do the declaration and the initialization part. So identify the substructure. In this, the first substructure that I have is hostel, and hostel will have its two members, that is warden name and count underscore rooms. First, let me erase all these things. See, okay, so hostel is a structure now which has two members. So in this part I have written, in this part from here to here, from here to here, I have declared that hostel structure. See, struct hostel. In that there are two members. One is warden name and there is count underscore rooms. So warden name, it's a string. So char warden name of 40. Assuming a warden name will have less than 40 characters. Similarly, count underscore rooms. Count underscore room is a integer type. So int count underscore rooms. Okay, so we have declared, and for this you need a variable, right? Because whatever you write within that bracket and the struct name and all that is not actually a variable name, it's like a data type. So you need one variable, so the variable is HOS. Okay, similarly the other substructures, that is department, which has three members: department name, faculty count, and placement rate. So from here to here, so department is a structure which has three members: department underscore name, faculty underscore count, and placement underscore rate, and the variable name is department. Now, once you have declared the substructure, now come to the main structure. Main structure, if you remember, is college, and it has three members: college name, department, and hostel. So, where did we stop? We were discussing about how to write the member names. So, for example, if it is for placement rate, okay, placement rate. See, placement rate is present over here. It is present in department, which is a part of the main structure called as college. So, start with department, start with college, your main structure, then the variable name. So, college dot department dot placement underscore rate. So, that is what I have defined over here. Similarly, do for the other things also and then display them. Displaying is easy. So, the college name is percentages. So, it will be your variable name, the member name. When it comes to something like placement rate, it is the main structure variable, your substructure variable, followed by the member name. This is how it is going to work. Okay. So, this example shows you the implementation of a nested structure. Okay, so the idea is identify the nested structure, declare them first, then write the main structure. Don't write, you don't need to define it over here because you have already defined the members over here. So just call the member names. Okay, and then write the scanf statements for inputting the values and then displaying the values. Thank you.